何？お前はもう死んでいる。
I mean, today we are making 50 drawings in 24 hours.
No, I'm not playing.
Using the cheapest color pencils I can find. So let's when I got at 24, I decided to take a break because oof, I'm tired.
Touring down in Charlotte like I play for Hornets. When I'm performing, never boring. Now you can't afford it. Champagne
That was refreshing. I got my energy back. Now let's get back to the drawing.
It's time to stop! It's time to stop, okay? No more! Who are your parents? Who are your parents? I'm gonna call Child Protective Services. It's time to stop!
Finally, I'm done. Enjoy the review.
Are you sure about that?
Oh my god! Wow! Please leave a like, comment and subscribe. I really worked hard on this and I'll see you next time. Bye!
Like a Gucci ad lib. Burr, go to the Coca-Cola mascot. Put my sauce on lasagna.